Tackle concrete and hard surfaces with ease using the mini-skid steer breaker, designed for medium to light-duty applications. This hydraulic attachment delivers efficient braking power, making it perfect for sidewalks, patios, and small demolition projects. Its compact design allows for maneuverability in tight spaces, while the durable chisel ensures consistent, controlled braking. Built for reliability and ease of use, this breaker is a great choice for contractors, landscapers, and property maintenance, delivering power where you need it most.